What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. Let's begin right away with this video. So I'm going to travel to Turkey this summer in a couple of weeks, and this is my camera bag, my travel bag, and it's actually a gift from my wife. She bought it for me a couple of years ago actually, and I think 2 years ago, from Amazon I believe. And as you see, it actually is like a low profile kind of bag. I really like it. It has all the needed features that I want, and it's also of course very robust and very protective. As you see, I do have my Peak Design clip here, so that's very handy when you're traveling. So let's go to the juicy part, right? So first of all, I got here on this side a little zipper, and on inside of that little zipper front bag thingy, I got myself a rain cover. So this rain cover is actually really cool to have. Like, you know, sometimes you just need a rain cover for those rainy conditions. Duh. And at the bottom here, we also got a little rain cover for the bag itself. So let's open up the bag. And of course, first of all, the cameras itself. I'm filming on 2 of those cameras. The overhead camera is the Sony a6000 with the Sigma 30mm f2.8 art lens, and of course the main camera, my Sony a7 III with the Tamron 2875. So with that being said, those are the 2 main cameras for my travel, but I also got a lot of stuff more inside of this bag. So as you see right here, got a lot of crap, man. I've got a lot of crap, but you know, it's still quite minimalistic. This right here is the GoPro selfie stick thingy, and the GoPro that I use somewhere here is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I still love this camera, very convenient to have when you're traveling. Just have a small little camera that cannot be broken actually, but you know, I really like the image quality out of it, and just the convenience sake out of it is just very nice, especially when you dive into the water and stuff, right? So what else do we got? We got a little strap for my Sony a7 III. So this little strap I use from time to time if I only bring my camera with me and not the whole bag, right? So sometimes you just don't want to bring the whole bag with you. This right here is the pouch for the Peak Design clip. So in this pouch we got some extra tools. This little tool to loosen up the bottom plate of the Peak Design clip, right? So what else do we got? We got an extra battery for the Sony a7 III. Yes, that is correct. I just have it loose in my bag a lot of times, and you know, Customs doesn't even care about this little batteries. And in this little pouch right here, we got the SD cards. So I got multiple SD cards, also a GoPro, extra battery. So we got an mini SD card slot or a adapter, right? Also here a little case with extra SD cards inside of it. The SD cards that I use are the Extreme Pros from SanDisk, and so far I'm really happy with it. I really like the quality, and so far I didn't get any issues with those cards. So what else do we got? This right here is the batteries, extra batteries for the Sony a6000. These are actually quite okay. They are not as good as the original ones, but still, you know, in case of emergencies, you can have these, and they will not last as long as the original ones, but still very good, and I really liked it. This right here is a small Manfrotto tripod that can actually be used as like a selfie kind of vlogging kind of thingy tripod, or just for little time lapses and stuff. Honestly, this is just for emergency purposes only. What else do we got? We got some extra cleaning thingies to wipe down the camera, and also just to clean up your stuff, right? Clean up the lenses, clean up the sensor and stuff like that. Of course, we got also a flying camera, and that is of course the DJI Mini 2. And inside of this pouch, this is actually a pouch that I got with the Fly More combo. Inside of this pouch we got, of course, the drone itself with an SD card already inside of it, because a lot of times I am actually forgetting the SD card inside of it. So that's really cool. Let's put it back in here. I really should use that little thingy actually, by the way. The little like protective strap. I just don't like it. The controller, of course. Extra batteries. If you are traveling, by the way, you need to decharge these batteries like at least to 50% or something, just to be sure. I'm just going to drain them all the way out. This right here is the Poco X3 Pro that I use for my drone in order to capture all those moments and use that as my monitor. Here inside of this little zipper thingy, we also got some extra accessories and spare parts. That's cool. Everything fits nice and snug up in there. The whole bag is like full. Just gonna pop everything inside of it again, like this, like so. Everything just goes inside in a random order a lot of times. And in this little part here, there goes my Sony a7 III and the Sony a6000. Just gonna put it in there and it will be just fine, by the way, guys. So keep in mind, I am a professional. I do bring stuff with me a lot of times, and everything just fits and doesn't get harmed at all. No damages whatsoever. So on this side, we actually got nothing in here, so it's all empty. Usually I got here on this end, like this little sleeve thingy, I got either a iPad or my laptop with me. So that's it actually. So for me, this is like a light setup. Of course, I got some extra chargers with me as well, but I put it in a different bag with my smartphone thingies, you know. So yeah, I'm going to have a good time in Turkey. Going to visit Istanbul, Izmir, Cappadocia. Not sure how to pronounce that actually, but you know, I'm going to have a good time, and I'll be seeing you in a couple of weeks. Follow me on Instagram to see a lot of the pictures I will be taking, or just the drone footage as well. So yeah, if you got any questions about traveling or the items that I got with me, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see the full review, by the way, of that DJI Mini 2, that's also coming in a couple of weeks. I think after my vacation, after my trip, right? Then I'm gonna do a little review as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to see the full review, but also to see those footage of Turkey, right? Alright, I think that's all for this video. As always, stay safe, stay happy. Wash your hands if needed. Wear a face mask if needed, because the pandemic is still not over. So yeah, that's it. Have a nice summer, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Good luck.